And as we head closer to the monsoons, IMD sources today have said that the department will detail 2013 southwest monsoon forecast after April 20th. The initial statements from the IMD today say that there are no threatening signals for the June-September monsoon, and also that the El Nino-La Nina may be neutral during monsoon. So initial forecast, or initial statements rather, coming in from IMD have been slightly on the positive side there. Let's take a look at the other agro commodities as well. And the cotton prices, of course, have continued to be on the higher side. We've seen nearly 10 to 15% of a gain up coming in for the cotton prices, while the yarn prices have gained up nearly 22% in last 2 months there. There has been a significant increase, as you can see, in the prices in the markets there. The prices are supported by lower supplies in the local market, while lower than expected release from China and expectation that the U.S. farmers will sow a historically small crop are seen aiding the sentiment. The U.S. Department of Agriculture has forecasted that the U.S. farmers will sow a historical small crop of 10 million acres as they switch to higher priced cane crops. According to the industry and trade estimates, government agencies have procured between 2.5 to 3 million bales, and they would start releasing the stocks from the month of April. Vijay, what's your sense coming in for cotton now? It has been a good 2013 for cotton prices till time, but do you see the gains continue?
Manisha, exuberance is unlikely to persist over a longer period of time because one is likely to see selling emerge the closer we get to 975, 980 kind of levels. I think below 880 odd levels, cotton does provide some buy opportunities for the aggressive trader, but at current levels, I'm not really very sure whether the support from the bulls is likely to persist. I think we might just see lower levels.
Vijay, also, what's your sense coming in for the sugar prices? Now, Thursday is yet another day when markets are looking for the cabinet meeting coming back into there. It's been a lot of hope and then some discouragement coming in for this sector. Tomorrow, finally, or for the rest of this week, how would you want to look at prices?
My guess is any kind of pessimism is already built into the prices because the markets have been dejected in the past. And this time around, when there's any kind of ray of resolution of the decontrol imbroglio, I think the markets are treading very cautiously. So even if it doesn't come through, I don't see sugar prices go down substantially. I think the prompt month futures are unlikely to see levels below 29.25 or 29.20 levels.
Vijay, also a word on case of the chana prices, where we have seen a bit of a turnaround continue into the markets, but with the kind of supplies that have started coming in because of the new crop, are you looking at further gains or much gains from here?
Cyclically speaking, Manisha, the trend in chana normally establishes itself after the third week of April. So it's a little premature as far as empirical evidence is concerned to see that to say that the prices have turned around conclusively or finally. If at all there is a dip of maybe 2–2.5%, I would be very glad to buy. But right now, I think to basically jump on with all guns firing on the long side seems a little premature.
A final word coming in for Menta then, and Vijay, how would you want to look at the prices there?
I would seek short selling opportunities on rallies because summer is typically not very good for bulls for Menta oil prices. I don't think the 4-digit mark is likely to hold. The prices might just settle below the 1,000 levels pretty soon.